So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that the area of square A is 3 times the area of square B, and we have to find the ratio of the diagonal of square B to square A. Very simple question. I think shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Area of square is 3 times the area of square B, right? So this is square A, right? This is square B. So let's assume the area of square A, the area of square B is x. So how much will the area of square A be? 3x, right? Because area of square A is 3 times the area of square B, right? So I hope this should be clear. So now tell me one thing. Let's assume this is square A, right? And the sides are A and A, right? And this is square B, right? And the sides are B and B. So how much is the area? Area will be A square. So that means A square is equals to 3x, right? And similarly, what is the area? Area is B square. So B square is equals to x, right? Okay, now what will be the diagonal of this square? The diagonal of the square is how much? A square plus A square root, which is how much? 2A square root, which is A root 2, right? So the diagonal is what? A root 2. And similarly, what is the diagonal of this square? B root 2. I hope all of this should be very clear. How? Because B square plus B square root, right, which is root of 2b square, which is b root 2, right? I hope this is, all of this is very basic, right? Okay, so now we have to find the ratio of the diagonal of square b to square a. So what is the diagonal of square b? It is b root 2 upon the square diagonal of square a is a root 2, right? So root 2 cancels. We have to find b upon a, right? Okay, now tell me one thing, what is b? B is b square is x. So what will b be? B is root x, right? A square is 3x. So what is a? A is root of 3x. Root of 3x, right? So root x cancels. This comes out to be 1 upon root 3. So this is the final answer. Very basic. I mean, nothing can be easier than this. So I hope this should be clear.